Gout is one of those diseases around which there has grown myths and half-truths, and it is no wonder then that gout home remedies have themselves too become the stuff of misinformation. Once considered the disease of aristocrats and rich old men, gout has since thrown off that guise and is now recognized as an arthritic disease of the joints that can affect anyone regardless of social background. Basically, gout is caused by a buildup of uric acid in the tissues around the joints. Uric acid is the waste product from the purines found in some foods, and this acid goes on to form crystals that are deposited around the tissues and joints. It is these crystals that cause the intense pain, typically in the big toe, that the gout sufferer endures. Most of the gout home remedies then are centered around minimizing the effects of a gout attack and then controlling the frequency of attacks. Keeping a close eye on the diet is a great foundation on which to base all gout home remedies. A low-fat, low-cholesterol diet is key and should be introduced once gout has been diagnosed. That means avoiding sugary foods and processed foods. But above all, eradicating from the diet those foods rich in purines is a great way forward. These kinds of foods are typically, but not exclusively, red meats, seafoods, yeast-based foods and liver and kidney meats. Alcohol, particularly yeasty beers, should also be reduced or even cut out of a gout sufferer's diet. This is because beer encourages the body to produce uric acid, which for anyone looking to manage and reduce their attacks of gout, is not something that should be encouraged. Cherries are pretty much seen as the champion fighters of gout, and many a gout sufferer is urged to include cherries into their regular diets because they so effectively reduce the levels of uric acid that causes the painful crystals to form underneath the affected joints. Applying an ice pack to the inflamed joint is also one of the gout home remedies that has been proven to work and give ease to the gout sufferer. The ice pack will help to reduce the swelling and can even be wrapped in a towel around the affected joint for prolonged relief. In the same way, the affected joint can be held under a running cold tap for a couple of minutes, as this has been shown to give some ease. Overall, what has been proven to be a winning home remedy for gout is to keep the body weight down to a healthy level, cut out those foods listed, keep well hydrated and take as much regular exercise as is at all possible.